Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we're going to be reviewing another product. This is a power bank by T-Core, assistant to the T-Core 2000 mAh. This is the world's smallest 10,000 mAh power bank. So it's by T-Core, has a 12-month warranty. It has fast charging and it is very affordable. There's a discount code in the description like the previous video. You can also see a 20,000 mAh in a link in the description, or I'll put a card. So here's the power bank. It's very small, I can tell that. It's very hefty, which is good. I always like hefty products because if it's not hefty, it's not premium. So here it is. Very glossy, nice. It looks like a Apple TV or a small device. It looks very cool. So it has a 1.5 and a 2.5 volt. That's nice. So I got the silver. They also have a black, full black. This is the silver one. So it is 10,000 milliamp capacity, 37 watts an hour. That's really good. It also includes a Type-C cable, as well as instructions and a not happy. So they also have a warranty and other instructions there. So let's put this to the side. And so here's the cable. We have the power bank. We have a few others. This is a 10,000 milliamp, but it's really huge. It's very light. It's long and it's thin but long. So this is probably one of the thinnest you could possibly guess. So it's really close in size. It's really small. This right here, you could grab it in your hand. It's almost as small as one of those cheap ones you buy at Target. Those little tiny cylinder power banks. I don't have one of those because those are trash. They break really easily. It's also very similar size to this one. Very close, guys. Very close indeed. Probably almost the same size as this, the width, but obviously in height it's not that tall. It's probably as tall as a power bank. For size comparison, I could show you a phone. So this is a 5-inch phone, so it's not even that big. And its older brother, that's what that looks like. So very premium products here, guys. It looks really nice. This one also has a display. So that has a display. This one has a display as well. I'm gonna go and show you that. So you just plug in via USB. They also have a Type-C outlet and a micro USB and others. So you just plug this into a power bank. There you go. So 76%. Looks very nice, very visible. It's really nice, guys. This is really durable. I really like it. It's really small. You wouldn't think that it's that small, but look. This is the Outdoor Tech Rugged power bank. It's a little smaller than this. Yeah, a little smaller. Definitely shorter. This one right here is handheld size. This one's even smaller. Really like it. Can fit in your pocket right by your phone or in your other pocket. Looks really nice. Very, very durable. I like the aluminum on here. Gloss. It's a fingerprint magnet. I do alert you to not do this, but this is really cool because I like the digital display. That's like the trend now for power banks, is those. So it's very slim. We're gonna test out the charging right now. So I have no clue what that bottom piece is, but they do have a Type-C input, and then they have 2 outputs. So you can charge via USB Type-C, and you can charge via micro USB. You can output with two micro USB at the same time. So we're going to see this in charging. Does it charge? Yes, it does. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put a stopwatch for 5 minutes and see how far it goes. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. It charged probably around 5%, so it's getting about 1% each minute, which is really good. It's pretty fast. I like it a lot. It's very premium. I like the premium designs that T-Core provides for your customers at a cheap price. This retails for about $28 for the world's smallest 10,000 milliamps. This is crazy how it's 10,000 milliamps. You'd think this was like 5,000, but it's literally 10,000. I'm going to be trying it out a lot, and I'm going to be testing this out with many different devices and other stuff. Maybe if you want to see that in a future video, I'll do a drain test and how long this takes with the stopwatch timer. So yeah, this is the T-Core 20,000 M review. I also have the T-Core 20,000 milliamp. This is the 10,000 milliamp. This is 20,000. Both have limited time sale. This will be for a full week, as well as this one for a full week. So I hope you guys can check both of those out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll be promoting both of these on Instagram, so go check that out as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.